Okay, let's start our tutorial for today. Seamanship terms. Okay, use this icon. Seamanship terms for second year terminologies. Okay, this handled by Captain Miharis. So we have the LOA or length overall. Next, let's expand is the whiteboard. MTC, the moment to change stream by centimeter. MTI is the moment to change stream by inches if you have English units. MTC is metric. Okay, and then the breadth of your ships, and then the light ships. Okay, light ship, no cargo, and then you have your deadweight. Deadweight is the sum total of your fuel, lobe oil, your ballast, your cargo, and then your constant, and then includes the passenger, and includes diesel oil, fresh water, and all the weight and all the constant for also the profession. So that is the deadweight. Okay, so we have also your gross tonnage. Okay, you have gross tonnage here. Gross tonnage. You have also your net tonnage. Okay, you have also your depth. Okay, so that is the seamanship terms. LOA, moment to change stream. So that's the stability stress number 2. Okay, thank you and see you next tutorial.